Alright guys, welcome back to two-stroke running and repairs. I've got my 044 here. As you can probably tell by the title, the problem was a bit more than just an impulse hose. Got it all pulled down in there. So I put the new highway cylinder on that Highway sent me, and I hooked it up to the pressure vac test, which I didn't have when I first rebuilt the saw, so pressure vac tested it, and there was air leaking around here and around here. So the crank gasket was leaking, so I split the saw down and had a bit of a chat with a couple of my saw friends, and it turns out the crank gasket I'd used, Manco gaskets, are actually just rebranded Pharmatech Stihl piece of shit gaskets. So if you wouldn't use Pharmatech stuff, don't use Manco stuff, because it's just rebadged Pharmatech stuff. As you can see, this gasket just super stiff. It's a really bad gasket material. I actually had a problem with the first one when I got it out of the box. It was broken, so I took it back to the place I got it and they swapped it out for a new one. But even then, it didn't last, so chuck you up on the tripod. Thankfully, I have a Highway gasket kit here now. So got my gasket kit from Highway Parts. They sorted me out with a new gasket kit. I've got the crank and the bearings in the freezer. So I'm just going to drop the crank in the flywheel side first. The other side's good to go, so now I just need to heat up this side. The case went together well. Now I've just got to pop in the oil seals. I'm going with new seals as well, just to be on the safe side, because alright, first start of the 044 after the rebuild.